Hey friends, welcome back. Let's talk about Zilliqa, my price prediction and chart analysis of Zilliqa for the month of May. So if you're wondering, should you buy Zilliqa? What price levels should you buy at? And is it pumping or not? I will answer all of your questions in this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purpose only. So when it comes to making money in crypto, you need to do two simple things. You need chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high. And you need risk management, so you gain more money than you lose. And if this sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain. So here I am on Zilliqa's chart, and we always want to look at the daily chart, the big picture, because the big picture gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to, and it prevents us from buying high and selling low. For example, there's people that FOMO in here, and then the price dropped 47%, which causes them to buy high and sell low. And then again, right here, how the price dropped 48%, and we never want to buy the high. Next up, we want to draw our chart pattern. And I do see support here, this trend line. Okay, and for those who don't know, support is a price level where people think it's cheap, so they step in and buy. Notice how, say the price touched here, and then it pumped 57%. And notice how the price touched here again, and then it did a big pump of 151%. And then again, it touched here, and then it did pumped 110%. So you can see that this is a trend line, the support, where people think the price is cheap, and they step in to buy. And if you probably heard this term called the trend is your friend until the very end. So the trend was going on for a very long time. It has been going on for 165 days, but then it dropped, the price dropped and crashed out of this, it broke down of the trend line, and that's very bad. And you see how the price is going back up and it's trying to go above the trend line. The reason why the price broke down is because Bitcoin crashed. So yeah, so the price has dropped, and this is not good news. It's very bad news. So what usually happens is that when the price goes up like this, let me draw it for you. Price usually go down, and it usually retests. The price try to get back into the trend line, and now it looks like it's dumping. So let me give you both a bearish and a bullish scenario. So in a bullish scenario, the price goes up like this, back to the trend line, and it continues to go up. So if it's bullish, then a good price to start, a good price for Zilla at the end of May, and I have marked the price for here. You see how it's May 31st. For Zilliqa to hit, let me see over here, roughly around 49 cents would be absolutely amazing. And if it hits that target, I would be surprised. Or maybe that's something like here, 42 cents ish, around there. If it's the market is still bullish. All right. All right. So let me give you also a bearish scenario. And I am a bit bearish, not because of my gut instinct, but rather because of Bitcoin's chart. And whenever Bitcoin is breaking down, whenever Bitcoin is breaking down, then altcoins also break down, also dip, and it's not good. So Bitcoin, let me draw you a quick chart pattern for you. So Bitcoin was on a rising wedge pattern, and then it broke down of the rising wedge. You see right here. All right, so it was broke down the rising wedge, and we zoom in and we look at the 4-hour chart, and then Bitcoin looks like it's very bearish. So whenever Bitcoin is bearish, when Bitcoin is going down, altcoins bleed. Yeah, so it's not healthy, and this is a bearish pattern. So let me see here, ZIL. So what can we expect? It doesn't look that pretty, but if you do want to buy, it does look like if Zilla goes back down to, let me see, let me mark the price for you. 13 cents. So say that Zilla goes back down to 13 cents, and you could buy because it has strong probability of bouncing. Remember how I talked about support earlier, how if the price touches support, then it bounces. Notice how the price touched support, then it bounced 21%. Price touched support again, and then it bounced 69%. So if the price goes down of this line, of this price level of 13 cents, then it has a strong probability of bouncing. And what you usually do is you practice risk management, so you gain more money than you lose. So this is what you could do. So this would be a good area to take profit, and then you would want a stop loss. All right. Okay. So let me explain for you. All right. So say that the price go down to 13 cents, and you enter a trade with $5,000. All right, $5,000, and then the price bounces back up to this level and you take profit, you would have gained 44% of that $5,000. However, if the price breaks down like this, it hits your stop loss and you automatically sell the coin, then you would lose 6%. You see how you have the ability to gain 44% but lose 6%? This is how you trade with a mathematical edge, and this is how you make money over a long run. So what you do is you use chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high, and you use risk management, so you gain more money than you lose. This is how you make money over a long run, because you can't just buy and hope. Because there's people that bought here. There's people that bought here and hoped, and it looks like the price has dipped down 15%, and the price could potentially dip down to 42%. So you gotta be careful. You gotta manage your risk. So if you have enjoyed how I have explained this video, then you'll definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group, where I'll help you become a smart trader and investor. So when you join the group, you get a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and get access to my trading course, so you can learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. There's 80 of us in the group. So you come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's really fun. So here's my Telegram ID right here, or you can click on the video description, and here's my Telegram address. You can click here and chat to me. Anyways, friend, I do hope that you stay safe out there. Zilla dipped from when it crashed down, when it broke out of the trend line. It dipped like around 54%. So please be careful. Please trade using chart pattern. Please use risk management. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more awesome videos for you. Thank you.